Hi, this is Rajan. Welcome to channel Wheels of Steel. Subscribe us and press bell icon for regular updates.
हेलो गाइस, एक बार फिर आपका स्वागत है मेरे चैनल व्हील्स ऑफ स्टील में। आज की वीडियो में मैं अपना एक एक्सपीरियंस शेयर करूंगा कि व्हाई आई स्विच्ड फ्रॉम नेक्सॉन XMS टू नेक्सॉन XZ प्लस। बिकॉज इनिशियली जब मैं कार बुक करने वाला था, then lots of research, I was planning to buy Nexon XMS and मैंने सब कुछ रिसर्च कर लिया था regarding what are the jobs that has to be done after buying the Nexon XMS. But later on जब मैंने XZ Plus से compare किया and I found out कि what are the differences and whether I should switch to XZ Plus or not. At the end, I switched to Nexon XZ Plus and I booked it on 16th of Jan 2021. आज की वीडियो में हम बात करेंगे कि अगर आप Nexon प्लान कर रहे हो लेने का, whether you should go with XMS or XZ Plus. No doubt, this is clearly a personal choice, but इस वीडियो में मैं अपना थॉट प्रोसेस शेयर करूंगा आपके साथ। इट इज नॉट नेसेसरी कि आपका थॉट प्रोसेस सेम हो, बट दिस विल हेल्प यू टू रिफाइन योर थॉट प्रोसेस एंड टेक द बेस्ट डिसीजन फॉर यू। रही बात नेक्सॉन XMS की, दिस इज अवेलेबल एट 9.44 lakhs. दिस इज ऑन रोड प्राइस and this is the price before the brand has increased the price by I think 14 to 50,000 of all their models. This is before the price increase. Actually that was the time when I was researching. So basically Nexon XMS tha, that is coming at 9.4 on road price, while Nexon XZ Plus was at 10.84. The price difference is about 1.4 lakhs. So the main question was whatever I was planning to upgrade in Nexon XMS aftermarket upgrades, whether the whole cost of upgrading and investing in Nexon XMS is good, or it is better to switch to XZ Plus, which is a fully loaded model from Tata Motors. This is the key points that I found out, key differences. And in the modification part, the price that I was planning to do the aftermarket upgrades have bought the XMS model. The first thing was the tire size. In Nexon XZ Plus, you will be getting 215 by 60 tires, which is more wider, and the rim size was R16. While in XMS, you will be getting 195 by 60 tire size, which is slightly narrower with the same rim size. Generally आप देखोगे most of the YouTube channels पे and most of the consumers prefer to upgrade their rims because both have the same rim size, so they prefer to upgrade the rim from the same Tata Motors showroom, and that costs about 40,000 rupees, right? But in my previous video I have shared कि अगर आप rim upgrade करने का सोच रहे हो, then it is very important from safety point of view कि आप अपने टायर्स को भी upgrade करिए. And so in this cost sheet I have added 12,000 rupees for the tires upgrade. And I believed कि मुझे जो पहले के टायर्स हैं, that was 195 by 60, I will get 50% exchange, like 6,000 rupees का टायर आता है. I believe कि जो पुराने टायर्स थे, जो Nexon XMS के जो नए टायर्स थे, 195 by 60, I will get a exchange price of 3,000 per tire. That means 12,000. your cost will be between 12 to 24,000 for this upgradation. It depends how good you are with the exchange of your old tires. So that will cost you about 12,000, right? So the next thing is automatic climate control. This is the part that I love when it comes to car. मेरा पहले वाला जो कार है, that is i20, Hyundai i20, that I bought 2 years back, it also has an automatic climate control, and believe me, it really gives a pleasure to use the automatic climate control, because in this you can set the temperature of your cabin, and that is not possible with the manual ACs. So no doubt this cannot be done through aftermarket upgrades. So I have given it cannot be done. So you will not get it in XMS even if you want to upgrade it with aftermarket upgrades. Then you will not get rear vent AC vents, right? And again, it cannot be upgraded. And then navigation system, glove box cooling, foldable rear seat. So these are the things that you cannot opt for aftermarket updates, right? Or either it is not economical to go for aftermarket updates. So the next thing is central console armrest. In XZ Plus you will get this, while in XMS it is not there. So if you want to go for aftermarket armrest, then it will cost you about 2,500 rupees, right? So the next thing is height adjustable driver seat. In one sound it might feel you don't need this, right? But this is beneficial when in your family other members are also going to drive this car. So it is very beneficial if there is lots of height difference between two drivers in your family. Might be your wife will be driving, her height might be smaller than you, then she might have to adjust the height of the seat for better view from the driver's seat. So yes, ये ज़रूरत हो भी सकता है, नहीं भी हो सकता है, but it cannot be done. मेरे लिए ये ज़रूरत था, and that's why I put it in my list. And same year it cannot be upgraded in the aftermarket, right? So the second thing is fog light. It is important, and I was planning कि मैं XMS लेता हूँ, तो the first thing that I have to do is this fog light, installation of fog light, and it will normal fog light will cost you about 5,000 rupees. Then the rain sensing wiper. This is not available in XZ Plus model, while it is available in XMS model. But for me, a rain sensing wiper is not a necessary feature, and so I opted कि अगर ये नहीं भी रहता है, then मेरे लिए मुझे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. Right, now comes to LY bills. Then XZ Plus you will get the LY bills, while if you are planning कि XMS लेना है, then you have to invest again 40,000 rupees for the LY upgrades. Now coming to the sunroof. Initially this was the attractive feature that for which I was attracted to this model XMS, but later on after discussion we thought कि while driving in the city I never open the windows, then how come I am going to open the sunroof while driving, especially in my city? So sunroof is good if you are in a hill station, and if you are in a city, then I really doubt कि आप sunroof कभी use करोगे. So yes, I choose कि sunroof को छोड़ा जाए. Okay, and even if you want कि sunroof हो, then you can go for XZ Plus S model with sunroof, right? That is slightly higher. That is slightly higher price to the XZ Plus model, right? Now then comes the rear camera. Yes, Nexon XMS में rear camera नहीं होता है, because they have the Harman normal 2.5 inches music system, while Nexon XZ Plus में the rear camera is there. So basically most of the YouTube channels में ये चीज़ बोलते हैं to upgrade the Harman music system, the stock Harman music system. But I believe कि the Harman music system and upgrading it with a Chinese brand, it is not a good decision. Okay, as far as the experience of the sound is concerned, for me, I was not planning to upgrade this, right? And I would have upgraded जब कोई एक अच्छे brand से, and I have different options in the market for the Nexon, which is not currently available. So for the rear view camera, it was important for me, and I just picked 70 MAI rear view camera. So that cost about 11,000 rupees from Amazon, and I was planning कि मैं वो उसके लिए opt करूँगा, right? So the next thing is tweeter components. Yes, I was in XMS में 4 speakers होते हैं, and there is no tweeters. So I was planning to add 4 more tweeters to the Nexon XMS. That would be costing you about 2,500 rupees. And in XZ Plus you will get 4 plus 4 speaker components, which is 4 is speakers and 4 are tweeters. Now the main thing is touch display. In Nexon XZ Plus you will get the touch display screen of 6.5 inches by Harman, while in XMS it is of 2.5 inches. So basically, if you are planning to upgrade this part, I will strongly suggest no, don't upgrade your stock music system from a Chinese brand, which will going to cost you 18,000 rupee. Even there are some good brands, German brands like Blackband, which cost you about 25 to 30,000 rupees. But even in some of the videos, in some of the experiences shared by some YouTubers, even that Blackband touchscreen system is having the hanging issue. So wait, let other brands come with compatible music system, and then compare and take the decision to upgrade. Yes, for touch screen display, if you are going for touch screen display, then you will be adding more, say 18,000 rupees. But in this case, you will not be needing a rear camera investment of 11,000 rupees. So if you are planning, then you have to just either of these two, either of the 11,000 rupees or 18,000 rupees, right? So I have just added 11,000 rupees in my data approximate cost, and if you are upgrading for the touch display, then you might have to add 7,000 more to the final cost, right? So touch screen display. So and the third and the last thing is parcel tray, and that I think most of the people go for that, and that costs you 3,000 rupees. So the total cost of upgradation for me was between 76,000 plus 76,000 to maybe 85,000, right? So that was the main cost, and at this cost I was not getting some of the main features, some of the other features, interesting features like automatic climate control, rear AC vents, glove box cooling. Then it is foldable rear seat, that is 60/40 foldable, that is very more boot space, right? This is a good feature. So these are the features that you will not get even after investing 85,000 rupees for aftermarket upgrades. So I am deducting say 80,000 rupees from 140,000. So and that comes to about 60,000 rupees. So by extra paying 60,000 rupees, you are going to get the fully loaded Nexon XZ Plus. For me, I was ready to pay that extra 60,000 rupees for all the upgrades. And for your information, in XZ Plus, you are going to get a best components, right? Which you might not get at 85 after investing 85,000 rupees. And the second thing is, I have checked the price of the touch display, yes, by Harman, that is being provided by XZ Plus on the internet, and it was selling at 1 lakh rupees only for the music system by Harman. Yes, later on it got out of stock, but for 2 or 3 days it was there, and it was the price of that Harman system was 1 lakh rupees. Yes, I don't know. अगर मैं आफ्टर मार्केट अपडेट्स के साथ जाता तो I might not choose to invest 1 lakh rupees for my music system. But yes, at 60,000 rupees, the difference of 60,000 rupees between XMS and XZ Plus, actually you are also getting the quality along with many other features. So guys, this is all about from my side, that why I choose to go with XZ Plus rather from XMS. आप क्या सोचते हो कमेंट सेक्शन में जरूर बताइए, एंड वेदर यू शुड go for that or not. Let's sign out. Thank you.